How to make challah bread. In a bowl, add 115 grams of room temperature water, 8 grams of dry active yeast. Mix to dissolve yeast. 1 egg and egg yolk, 29 grams of sugar, 6 grams of salt, 27 grams of oil. Mix. 360 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix in flour. Rest 20 minutes. Knead for 4 to 5 minutes. Rest another 20 minutes. Knead 1 minute. Ferment for 2 hours. Push air out and transfer to flat surface. Cut 1 end piece. Cut rest into fourths. Round by pulling the top to the bottom. Roll into oval with the edge thinner. Roll end piece for the base. Place on parchment paper and make a plaid pattern. Twist the bottom over the top. Tuck the ends in and rest for 2 hours. Brush with egg wash. Transfer to baking tray. Bake 375 Fahrenheit for 25 to 27 minutes. Cool for 2 hours. Challah bread is ready. The texture is very soft and fluffy. Enjoy!